Xiaomi will hold a presentation this afternoon, where it will show Redmi K50, the first with the Dimensity 8100 chip. In a few days, Realme GT Neo 3 with the same processor will be released, and OnePlus Nord 3 will join them in May or June. Digital Chat Station reveals what features the OnePlus Nord 3 will have. The source points out that the smartphone will receive a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution, 2412 by 1080 pixels, and, presumably, the refresh rate will be 120 Hz. OnePlus Nord 3 will be built on Dimensity 8100, will offer up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 memory. The smartphone will be powered by a 4500 mAh battery, and it will be possible to charge it at a power of 150 watts. The OnePlus Nord 3 will ship with a 16-megapixel front camera, and the main camera will offer a set of 3 sensors: 50-megapixel, Sony IMX766, OIS, 8 and 2-megapixel. The device will be equipped with a fingerprint display scanner, a linear vibration motor and the Android 12 operating system. Judging by these characteristics, the OnePlus Nord 3 risks becoming only a slightly modified version of Realme GT Neo 3, which will be announced on March 22nd. Realme VP Madhavshat said earlier that the GT Neo 3 will launch in the second half of 2022, i.e. after June. But plans have changed as Realme CMO Mr. Zhu Kaichase announced today that the GT Neo 3 will arrive this month. Zhu Kaichase also shared a poster showing us the device for the first time. The smartphone has a rectangular camera unit with 3 lenses and a flash. The camera will receive an optical image stabilization system. Realme previously confirmed that the GT Neo 3 will be based on the Dimensity 8100 SoC and support 150-watt charging. According to the results of tests in Geekbench, the mobile platform Dimensity 8100 is faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Thanks to Geekbench and TNAA, we know it will feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, with a fingerprint scanner, Android 12, 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128, 256 or 512 GB of storage. The Realme GT Neo 3 will feature a 16-megapixel selfie camera, while the rear panel will include 50, 8, and 2-megapixel cameras. Along with the GT Neo 3, Realme is also announcing the Buds Air 3 Tws Earphones in China next Tuesday, which will also have a Le Mans version. In addition to the blue-pink job, the Buds Air 3 Le Mans model will feature the company's Dare to Leap slogan, written on the front above the charging indicator, which is missing from the Galaxy White and Starry Blue variants. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and leave comments. I am very glad that you have watched this video to the end. See you soon.